Welcome everyone. This is the 11th video of our data science series. In this video, we will going to cover logical regression. Logic regression modeling, a comprehensive guide. Welcome. This presentation explores logistic representations, fundamental techniques in statistical modeling. We will dive into its applications, interpretations and evaluation, highlighting the advantages and key concepts behind this powerful tool. Understanding the logistic regressions equation, the core equation, the sigmoid function. Logistic regression predicts the probability of a binary outcome using a sigmoid functions to transform a linear combinations of predictor variables. The equation takes the form of p is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus exponential b0 plus b1 into x1 plus to the bn into xn, where p represents the predicted probability. Sigmoid function. The sigmoid function S-shaped maps any input value to a probability between 0 and 1. It ensures that the model's output is always a valid probability. The function has a steep slope near the middle, making it sensitive to changes in input values. Assumptions and diagnostics for logistic regression. Linearity, independence, multicollinearity. What is linearity? Linearity is the relationship between predictor variables and the log odds of the outcome should be linear. The assumption can be checked using scatter plots and residual analysis. Independence. Observations should be independent of each other. These assumptions can be voided if there are repeated measures or if the observations are clustered. Multicollinearity. Predictor variables should not be highly correlated with each other. This assumption can be checked using variance inflation factor (VIF). Performing logistic regressions in R Python. R examples. So these are the R examples and Python examples. You can see a Python examples here in the slide. Interpreting logistic regression results. Coefficients. Coefficients indicates the change in the log odds of the outcome for a 1 unit increases in the predictor variables. Positive or coefficients indicates a positive association, while negative coefficients indicate a negative association. Odds ratios. Odds ratios represent the change in odds of the outcome of 1 unit increase in the predictor variable. An odds ratio greater than 1 indicates an increased odds of the outcome, while an odds ratio less than 1 indicates a decreased odds of the outcome. P-values. P-values indicates the probability of observing the observed results if the null hypothesis were true. A p-value less than 0.05 is generally considered statistically significant, suggesting evidence against the null hypothesis. Evaluating model performance, accuracy, the proportion of correctly classified instances. Precision, the proportion of correctly classified positive instances among all instances classified as positive. Recall, the proportion of correctly signified positive instances among all actual positive instances. Poisson regression, modeling count data. Poisson regression is used to model count data representing the number of events occurring within a specific time period or space. Assumptions. The key assumption is that the mean and the variance of the code data are equal. This assumption can be projected using a variety of diagnostic checks. Applications. Poisson regression is commonly used in healthcare insurance and finance to analyze events counts like hospital admissions, insurance claims and stock trades. Applying Poisson regression in R Python, R example and Python example. So thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Please make sure to subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubt regarding the topic, you can ask the doubt in the comment section. Meet you in the next video. Thanks for watching.